Have you ever heard of King Henry died merrily drinking chocolate milk? Well, I'm going to show you a way to use that saying to convert meters to kilometers, meters to centimeters, and grams to kilograms, and grams to milligrams, and stuff like that. So our saying is, King Henry died merrily drinking chocolate milk. The king stands for kilo, which also equals the symbol K. Henry is hectos. Died is deca, or deco, deca. And then the middle one is your base, and right now we're going to use meters. So for merrily, drinking is for deci, chocolate is for centi, and milk is for milli. This will also teach you how to keep it in order from greatest to least. So if you just remember King Henry died merrily drinking chocolate milk, you remember the order of kilo, hecta, deca, meters, liters or grams, deci, centi, and milli. Okay? So to do this, say we have 20 centimeters, and we want to see how many kilometers that is. So we're going to draw out our King Henry died merrily drinking chocolate milk. So we're going to start at centimeters right here. We have 20 centimeters, and your decimal place is always at the end when you have a whole number. Even if you don't need it because the zeros are there, it's always there. So this is the same thing as 20 centimeters. Okay? So we start here from centimeters, and we want to go all the way to kilometers. So let's see how many spaces that is to jump. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we take our decimal and we move it the same direction as we did to get to kilometers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now our decimal becomes there, and the spaces that you have for the little loops, you're just going to fill in with zeros. So it'll be the same thing as that. Okay? Let's do another one. Now let's go from big to small. Let's do 15 decameters equals how many millimeters? So again, let's do our King Henry died merrily drinking chocolate milk. So we're starting with hecto, and we're going to move to milli. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 again. So remember, our decimal is always at the end of a whole number. We're going to move it 5 spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then fill in those spaces with zeros. So 15 decameters is the same thing as 1,500,000 millimeters. Got it? Okay. Let's do one more to be sure. This time, instead of using meters, we're going to use liters, okay? So remember, the middle one right here is our base, and we can interchange it with meters, liters, and grams, okay? So we're going to do liters. Let's do 20 liters equals how many centiliters, okay? So King Henry died merrily, but we're doing liters instead, so that's an L. Drinking chocolate milk. So our 20 is right here, and let's see. Jumping 1, 2 spaces. Decimal is always after the whole number. Jump 2 spaces. 1, 2. And then fill it in with zeros. So 20 liters is the same thing as 2,000 centiliters. Okay? Now let's try doing grams. Let's do 500 kilograms equals how many milligrams? King Henry died merrily, but instead of reusing the meter, we're going to use G for grams. Drinking chocolate milk. Alright. So, we're starting with kilo, and we're going to move all the way down to milli, and that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 spaces. So our decimal after our whole number will move right 6 spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right. So it'll be 500 million milligrams equals 500 kilograms. Got it? Okay. You can turn into your workbooks and do the problems 1 through 10.